Hello, and welcome to Lina English Podcast. Today, we'll practice speaking English with a clear British accent using the shadowing method. This lesson is perfect for beginners A1 and A2 level. I will speak slowly and clearly. You will listen and repeat after me. Shadowing will help you improve your pronunciation, fluency, and confidence. Are you ready? Let's begin. I'll say each sentence twice. First, just listen. Then repeat after me. Hello. Hello. How are you? How are you? I'm fine, thank you. I'm fine, thank you. What's your name? What's your name? My name is Lina. My name is Lina. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Where are you from? Where are you from? I'm from Morocco. I'm from Morocco. I live in a small town. I live in a small town. I love learning English. I love learning English. You're doing great. Keep going. Now let's practice sentences about daily life. These are things you can say every day. I wake up at 7 o'clock. I wake up at 7 o'clock. I brush my teeth in the morning. I brush my teeth in the morning. I drink a cup of coffee. I drink a cup of coffee. I go to work by bus. I go to work by bus. I like to listen to English podcasts. I like to listen to English podcasts. My favorite podcast is Lina English Podcast. My favorite podcast is Lina English Podcast. I cook dinner every evening. I cook dinner every evening. I study English after dinner. I study English after dinner. I go to bed at 10. I go to bed at 10. I sleep well at night. I sleep well at night. Take a deep breath. Relax. You're doing amazing. Let's keep going. Now it's time to train your rhythm and flow with longer sentences. Repeat after me. I usually wake up early and take a walk before breakfast. I usually wake up early and take a walk before breakfast. Learning English is part of my daily routine. Learning English is part of my daily routine. I feel more confident every time I practice speaking. I feel more confident every time I practice speaking. Sometimes I make mistakes, but that's okay. Sometimes I make mistakes, but that's okay. I believe in myself, and I enjoy the process of learning. I believe in myself, and I enjoy the process of learning. I like to read English books and repeat the sentences out loud. I like to read English books and repeat the sentences out loud. Speaking slowly helps me sound more natural. Speaking slowly helps me sound more natural. When I shadow native speakers, I feel my voice getting stronger. When I shadow native speakers, I feel my voice getting stronger. I know that fluency takes time, but I am patient. I know that fluency takes time, but I am patient. Every word I speak brings me closer to fluency. Every word I speak brings me closer to fluency. Breathe. You're doing something powerful. Let's continue. Now let's practice a short story. Listen to the full sentence, then repeat. Today is Monday. It is a quiet morning. The sun is shining. I open the window. I hear the birds singing. I smile. I feel good. I sit at my desk. I take my notebook. I write today's goals. One of them is practice English. I open my podcast app. I find Lina English Podcast. I press play, and I start shadowing. Now let's practice keywords. Listen and repeat each one 3 times. Breakfast, 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 breakfast. Study, 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 study. Listen, 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 listen. Speak, 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 speak. Slowly, 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 slowly. Every day, every day, every day, every day. You're doing something amazing. Don't stop. Let's try to speak like a real English speaker now. I love English. I enjoy speaking English. I speak slowly and clearly. I believe in myself. I am improving every day. I feel proud. I will never give up. Repeat those again. Say them out loud with your full voice. Let them become part of you.